Hello everyone, welcome to the car accident situation. Oh, no damage to the beautiful car. Crazy car. It's hard to put the screwdriver in there. Oh, that homemade car has a problem. The driver was thrown out of the driver's seat. Racing car accidents is horrible. No! The truck stopped too close to the train line. As a result, the car was badly damaged. Serious accidents at the intersection. People are supporting the car that has lost its wheels. The overflowing water couldn't see the crater. This guy made a mistake. The car lost control and crashed into two other cars. Too bad that car fell before it got to the trunk. Now all four of them used the stress to lift it. The driver was stubborn to keep moving the car while one wheel was badly damaged. This is a magic trick. Look! That car couldn't control speed when it came to the bend. Is it convenient to put this huge iron rod on the truck?
$20? No, too much money.
No!
Good operator.
The woman is in a dilemma. This hell face is bad again. Look, the car ran straight into the camera. A large trailer was brought to tow the damaged car. Things got worse with that car. An extremely dangerous incident. The front of the car is being destroyed. The intersection point with unnecessary accidents. Two guys are fixing machines. Strong impact. Two big kids bathing in the tub of the truck. The bus flows a lot of water. The smoke from the car is also coming out. This girl is helpless because the gas pump won't stop. Top racer and dangerous mistake. Wow! Since when have cars been as useful as trucks? Truck driver is stupid. The voice of disaster, and that hurts the girl. There was a lot of stupid handling in this accident. Maybe it takes more power of a large trailer to be able to bring this vehicle up. The performance caught the eye of the audience.
Oh my God!
Stupid driver running the red light. That car had a problem. It flipped many times like an action movie.
Júnior, impressionante. Uma cena fortíssima.
Oh no! So bad! The car overturned and damaged. Get in the water and take a shower, bro! What's wrong with this driver? Surely, the owner of this car did something wrong to that girl. This guy is flying in the air. The accident was very serious. Are the people in that car in danger? Wet road in the rain, the car got into an accident and rotated many times. The performance of this car is a disaster. Not controlling your speed is bad for driving, remember? Heavy goods are being unloaded. It fell and was accompanied by a depressed expression on the man's face. The car turned around without looking. His funny step down the stairs. Stand still and love will come. Two cars crashing into each other. The shop's glass door was broken, dropping a lot of watermelons on the streets. The stupid car messed up the whole route. The car door is full of mud. Opening is a waterfall. What's going on? A storm passed. Everything was submerged in water. Cars also followed the water, drifting everywhere.